Meow there. So, you want to do more than 1 or 2 pull-ups? Well, you've come to the right place. The way to get better at pull-ups is very simple once you understand it. So let's break it down right meow. Step 1. Get strong enough to do 3 to 5 pull-ups. You do this by training easier variations like band-assisted pull-ups, pull-up negatives, where you lower yourself slowly from the top position, or even with Australian pull-ups. Don't ask me why they are called that. Do this at least twice a week and increase difficulty every 2 weeks by using lighter resistance bands or doing more reps. Step 2. Once you unlocked your first 3 to 5 pull-ups, you can start training them for real. Start by doing 4 to 5 sets 2 times a week until your body gets comfortable with the move. After that, keep increasing the difficulty every 2 weeks, either by adding more reps each set, adding more sets per week, or even adding weight to yourself. And no, not by eating more food. 100% guaranteed you will improve your pull-ups by consistent training and progressively overloading the exercise. So remember, start with easier variations, get stronger, train consistently, and keep increasing difficulty. Now go train, and one day you will be strong like Calisthenics Cat. Thank you for watching, and comment what I should explain next.